Introducing the Kubrick String Art Kit, the easy way to turn your favorite photos into unique string art pictures. The String Art Kit, that lets you decide the shape later. No need to choose before you buy. Create a string art with your own hands, bringing any creative ideas to life. Everything you need is already included in the kit. Just a few simple steps to get started. Scan the QR code from the paper instructions. Upload your favorite photo to our web application. Decide on the shape of the picture and get the instructions instantly. To get started, prepare your workspace. There are pilot holes on the base for round and square pictures. Carefully and firmly hammer in the nails one by one according to the desired shape. Stick on the appropriate numbered sticker ruler. Install the thread holder on the base. Assemble the phone stand, and you're ready to go. Enjoy the process of creating your masterpiece with our interactive voice guide. Make portrait with a continuous thread, stringing your favorite photo step by step with your own hands. The picture turns out neat and detailed. Its size is 37 by 37 centimeters. The finished portrait will complement any interior. If you don't know which photo to choose, we have prepared a gallery of ready-made patterns. Just choose the one you like and get the instructions. Such artwork will be a universal gift for your loved ones. A string art kit from Kubrick is an opportunity to preserve pleasant memories or create new ones with your own hands. Get creative with Kubrick!